Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. Before we get started, I wanted to share some important information about our products. So our products were developed for us by a company with decades of experience, backed by advanced technology and proven methods in detergent innovation. So when you purchase our laundry, you're getting the result of a long history of quality, science, and performance. Our product is also NP-free, meaning it contains no nonylphenol ethoxylates. So it's also clean for you and safe for our planet. Now let's make some fresh, effective laundry bombs. Here's a DIY laundry bomb recipe step by step.